In this video, you'll learn how to get support. During your studies, you may come across concepts that are difficult to understand, or you have questions related to a particular topic. You should go to the course page for which you are seeking assistance. Then click on Course Forums. Then click on Ask the Teacher. Before posting on the course forums, please read through these guidelines. At the bottom of the page, you will see discussion topics started by other students. Please take a quick look over them to see if your question has already been addressed. If it hasn't been, then you can click on Add a new discussion topic. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you can type in the subject of your discussion and then the details of it here. If you have a file that is relevant to the discussion, you can open Windows Explorer and drag and drop the file here. If you have attached the wrong file, then click on it and press delete. Remember that the files must be 2 megabytes or less. Once you are done, click on Post to Forum. Please remember that your posts will be publicly viewable by all students who are taking the same course as you. Another way in which you can ask for assistance is to go to your course page and then scroll down a bit. If you see a teacher contact box like this one, then you can directly contact the faculty member and ask for clarification. If you are contacting the faculty member via phone or Skype, please keep in mind their office timings. Before contacting a faculty member, please go through the TA contact policy. If you're looking for information on the university's policies or administrative issues, click on Student Support and go to FAQs. Here you can see the different topics that are covered on this page, and if you scroll down, you will be able to see the FAQs. If you find the question that you are looking for, you can click on it to reveal the answer. If you can't find the information that you are looking for, or you require some assistance, you can go to the help desk page. You can put in a title for your message here, then select the issue type. It can be anything from fees and payments issues, complaints or suggestions, academic guidance, stream change, external credit transfer, or anything that is on this list. Then you can briefly describe your issue here. If you have any documents to support your claim, you can attach them by clicking Choose File. Then you can submit your issue. When this box pops up, that means one of our support staff is online and can be contacted for immediate assistance. Finally, another way to get information is to click on this blue icon that you will see on every page. Then type in a keyword related to what you are looking for. One of the most important things that students should know is their deadlines. So I will type that in and press enter. Here are a number of important topics that I can read on, such as important deadlines for MA in Islamic Studies, important deadlines for intensive Arabic program students, and important deadlines for all streams except intensive Arabic program and MAIS. So you can click on the one that is relevant to you.